Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add trusted connection on Roblox. All right, so let's begin with the video. Before we begin, keep two important things in mind. First, you must be at least 13 years old to use this feature. Second, both you and the friend you want to add must complete the age estimation check. Without verifying your age, the Trusted Connections option will not appear in your account. Let's start with verifying your age. Open the Roblox app on your device. Tap on the three dots More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, go to Settings, then tap on Account Info. Scroll down until you find the Age and Birthday section. Here, you'll see an option that says, Check your age to get more features. Tap on Continue with Camera, Continue with Selfie, or a similar option depending on what appears on your screen. After tapping Continue, you'll see a prompt asking you to proceed. Tap Continue again. Roblox will then ask you to scan your face for age estimation. This is a quick 3D facial scan designed to confirm that you're a real person and estimate your age. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and complete the scan. Once the process is finished, you'll see an Estimating Your Age screen. After verification, your age status will be updated and you'll be eligible to use the Trusted Connections feature. Now let's move to the actual connection process. Head back to the home screen. Near the top, look for the new Connect button. Tap on it. Then select My QR Code to generate your unique QR code. Now, open your friend's account. Once opened, tap on the Connection option and then tap on My QR Code again. Once here, tap on the Scan icon in the top right corner. Align the camera with the QR code and scan it. After scanning, tap Add Connection. This will send a connection request. The other person must accept the request on their device to complete the process. Once accepted, your friend will appear in your Trusted Connections list. If the other user is not physically near you, you have a couple of options. You can share your profile link or send a screenshot of your QR code so they can scan it. Alternatively, go back to the Connect screen and use the Search for People option. Enter your friend's username, tap the Add Connection icon next to their name, and send the request. Once they accept, they'll appear in your connections list, and that's it. So that's basically how you can add Trusted Connection on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.